Good morning, students. We will continue with 7th chapter division. Today we will do simplify using board mass. Let us take some examples. First one is 36 divided by 4 multiplied by 5. In this question, there are two operations, division and multiplication. According to board mass, division will be solved first and then we will solve multiply. 36 divided by 4, answer is 9. 4 nines are 36. You can solve it like this. 4 nines are 36. Write down 9 here and then multiplied by 5. 9 fives are 45. So our answer is 45. Here we did division first, then multiplication using the rule of board mass. Let us take one more example. Five of 27 divided by 9. Here we are having of and divide. Using board mass, we will do of first, then division. So we will solve 5 of 27 first. Of means multiply. We will solve it. 27 fives are 5 sevens are 35. Write down 5 and carry 3. 5 twos are 10 and 3 30. So 27 fives are 135. Rest of the question we will write as it is. Divided by 9 will be written as it is in every step. Now, after solving of, we will solve division. 135 divided by 9. This will be solved. 135 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. By subtracting, we get 4. Bring down 5. 9 fives are 45. So, 135 divided by 9 is equal to 15, which is our final answer. Let us take one more example. In this example, we are having division, multiplication, addition, of. We are having subtraction also. That is, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 operations. Division is 2 times in this sum. We will use board mass. Of will be solved first. 5 of 24. Rest of the question we will write as it is. 3600 divided by 90 multiplied by 10 plus 5 of 24 means 24 multiplied by 5. This is equal to 120. We will write 120 here. Minus 120 divided by 6. Now after of, we will solve division. As division is 2 times in this question, both are solved at a time. 3600 divided by 90. 94s are 360. Bring down 0. 90 zeros are 0. This is 40. Multiplied by 10 plus 120. Now 120 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 zeros are 0. Answer is 20. We will write 20 here. Now, after division, we will solve multiply. In third step, we will solve multiply here. 40 multiplied by 10. We can do it orally. 4 ones are 4 and we will write 2 zeros on the right hand side. That is 40 tens are 400 plus 120 minus 20. After this we will do add. From add and subtract, add will be done first. 400 plus 120. By adding, we get 520. Now, minus 20. Subtraction will be done in the last. 520 minus 20. This is 500. Which is our final answer. So, when we have operations more than 1, we will use BODMAS to solve it. Here we did of first, then division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction, and we get our final answer. Hope this is clear to you. Thank you.